Next chapter is nutrition in animals. Nutrition in animals. Animals get their food from plants either directly by eating plants or indirectly by eating animals that eat plants. All organisms, including humans, require food for growth, repair, and functioning of the body. Animals' nutrition includes nutrients requirement, mode of intake of food, and its utilizations in the body. First of all, what is nutrition? What is nutrition? Nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organisms and its utilizations by the body. तो इस चैप्टर में हम एनिमल का न्यूट्रिशन स्टडी करने वाले हैं. ओके. Animal gets their food plants directly by eating plants, otherwise indirectly eating animals. Some animals eats both plants and animals. Then nutrients are components of food considered to be essential growth and for maintaining good health. Animals nutrition is includes nutrition requirement, because nutrition give us carbohydrate, fat, protein, water, fiber, vitamins, and minerals are all the nutrients. Next, components of food. There are 6 main components of food: carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin, minerals, dietary fibers is the main components of food. Next point is digestions. What is digestions? The components of foods such as carbohydrate are complex substance. The broken down into of complex components of food into simpler substance is called a digestion. Complex components of food into simpler substance is called a digestion. Complex substance like carbohydrate, liquid, protein, etc. are the complex substance. This complex substance cannot be utilized as such, and simpler substance is called when we eat food. It gets broken down in a simpler substance which react with oxygen and generate energy is called a simpler substance. This is a complex substance like carbohydrate, protein, lipid is a complex substance, and we eat food, it's get broken down into simpler substance is called a simpler substance. Next, different way of taking food. The mode of taking food into body in different organisms like bee and hummingbird, such the nectar of plants in front of humans, and many other animals feed on mother milk. Some aquatic animals filter teeny food particles floating nearby and feeding up them. Taking food is required by all the organisms. The animal's nutrition includes the nutrients requirement, the mode of intake, and the utilizations of food in the bodies. Various types of animals are using different way of taking foods. The various mode of feedings are scraping, chewing, capturing, slowing, etc. are mode of various mode of feedings. Next, various mode of feeding. First, name of animals: snail, kind of food, leaf and small insect, mode of feeding, scraping. Second, ant, small particles of sugar, flour, sugars or flour, mode of feeding, chewing. Third, eagle, kind of food, rat, small birds, mode of feeding, capturing, tearing, etc. Name of animals: hummingbirds, kind of food, some insects, gnators, mode of feeding, stocking. Fifth, lice, kind of food, blood, mode of feeding, stocking. Name of animal: mosquito, kind of food, blood, mode of feeding, stocking. Mode of animal: butterfly, kind of food, natter, mode of feeding, stocking. Next, housefly, kind of food, sweet and dirty liquid and solid substance, mode of feeding, stocking. There are various mode of feeding of animals, their foods and mode of feedings. Okay.